Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Now. I'm still a boy Taylor DJ. So bengifuna nje ukuthi ngiqedele la ivlog yami yase Pretoria. Bekune back to the city eJoburg ngomhla 11 October. Bekukhona uLuphi Fiasco, abekhona namanye ama-local amaningi. So nje bese attend lezo Speaker Now, even though asikwazanga ukushutha i-content eningi as we planned because kuvele kwanetha, but just ukushare nje experience yami because it was my second time ngattenda iBack to the City Festival, and the festival iqala so they say they were celebrating 19 years bekhona. So nje I was happy ngibe yiphathi ngibone nezinto ezenzakalayo, especially for i-guest uyona kade i-headliner ye-show uLuphi Fiasco. I think usineze i-show esolid, and I think respectile even nemedia yaseMzansi because ngeke ngabona even before i-show uke wafika wa-rehearsa. There was also another media conference lapha nade answer khona ama-questions. So I think umuntu ofike wa-contributor kwi-culture ye-hip hop yaseMzansi nawe-culture nje ye-media, because he even did i-interview naku 5FM Drive laphana ekhona ku-YouTube abantu bengayibona. So and the bekumele ngiqala i-Park Station.
Always walking on the fly. Our case. We just do not understand that.
Yo.
Don't need bitches.
Shosho guys, welcome back to 2025. I-vlog Back to the City. Hopefully izophelela this time.
Back to the city.
Hey, last time i-content yaphelele endleleni, but sazama. So yeah, we're heading to Back to the City Festival. So yeah, it's on.
It's on.
Akuwe lo muntu esemlindini.
Back to the city.
But now they represent every mile in your shoes. Any mud on your soul gets towed and removed. It's like I'm retracing every trial, know it took strength. Giant steps, flowers growing out of the footprints. Liberation is your invitation. It's a relay race. Continuation. Get the baton and keep bringing it back. String theory means we'll keep being attached. Last name. This is something of a sight. But when you take them off, running for your life. Yeah, you know you're right.
Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Now. We're coming live at eJoburg, Back to the City Festival 2025. Akhona ama-performance asekhona, baphefumile abawords baningi abezayo, abantu bayaphula apha. Benginefear ngithi i-attendance izoba down because there's also another festival enzana namhlanje uTravis Scott use-FNB. I-show ama-hip hop show awu-2 enzanga ngosuku oluyi-1 part. I think i-crowd eningi iBack to the City balana, and judging from uanjelana, I think ama-sponsors athi se aphulaphile, amajida lawa adayisa image. There's a lot okwenzakala, but kuse-early sazobona-ke, but mina umuntu engimzela kahle kahle uLuphi Fiasco. Bakhona abantu abakubalana apho, but when it comes to rap, abantu okuyibona ngigwela kubona not as umuntu oyi-rapper but as oyi-fan kwakuLuphi Fiasco before kufika uDrake, because uDrake yona goat yami engafuni ngayo. But before uDrake there was uLuphi Fiasco. I hope uzowaphefuma ama-classic because unama-album amaningi and ezingoma zakhe zidiphu kakhulu. So mina ngifuna lezi ngoma ezipopular, lezi ngoma okuyizona ezifunwa abantu abafana nami laba abathanda hip hop. Lezi ediphu sengaphefuma nazo because akhona ama-friends ama-hardcore lawa athanda kakhulu hip hop ke lakhe. Yabo labo umrapper laba batshebhisa ama-blue bakhona nabo. But stay tuned kwi-channel sozama nje sinishaya ngama-fill-up lapho sokhona khona because ikhona competition le 10K ama-rappers nawo compete khona. Sozama ucapturisha ama-moment, but abantu abaningi abayaphefuma. So stay tuned ku-Speaker Now. Awenzi.
Your losses when cars are spinning. I ride for my What's that? The superstar say, why?
Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Now. We're still coming live from the aftermath back to the City Festival. Siphoxekile kwelinye isikhathi sijabulile but ngifuna senze review back to the City Festival especially ngama performances. So ngithe ngibize uzwa architect oyena umuntu olandela hip hop, oyena we culture na we artist ngokwakhe. So ngifuna senze review la back to the City because nginama complaint amaningi nama questions bekwenzeka into eningi ezingalindelanga izolo but ke ngizointroduce yena utrends wakhe.
Ngiyaphila mfethu ngiyabonga kuba khona ku channel Speaker Nawe uzwa architect lona sanibonani.
So back to the City Zolo Festival mhlawumbe nje siqale ngo-overall ibinjani back to the City Zolo ube honest nje.
Hayi mfethu ibibuhlungu angifuna uqambela bangasiviye ngegelihle yabo ukufika the vibe was nice kodwa bethu imvula akasinagamba manga ubonile vini nawe isilingazile
imvula inethi
for like 3-4 hours solid.
And what do you think about the turnout yezolo like
the turnout was for me ngibone less mfethu
compared to last year
ngibone less mfethu ngifuna uqamba.
But beside the issues that they khona ke like akesikhuluma ngama performance like ukhona umuntu obe highlight yakhe izolo
uLophe be highlight awangababala aba highlightsami yabo Lophe Fiasco ubani mfethu ubani Questa enjoy ama performance akhe ubani umunye mfethu bakhona mfethu abantu ba enjoy le mfethu ubani usibabukile abanye manje sini PTA moment mesihlangene yogene ubani umuntu ngilibale kodwa nje labo bakhulayo manje enjoy la performance mina mfethu kakhulu.
And kulama new kids afika like izolo like there's someone engibone perform I think it was for the first time. What do you think about the performance ka Baby Days?
Ibe intswembu actually wangikhumbuza omunye umuntu bentswembu performance ya Baby Days bengithuke mina bengiqala imibuzo ngifana ngawe Sisi yabo mina bengekho aware of yena yabo ngikhuluma naye ngaye I know bro we are performing lo manje angimuzi uthini mina mqondi ukuthi uthini kodwa nje i-performance yakhe ngibambile nayo
and about impinjika ka space ya okay
kid ungcono i-performance compared to last year
last
time ngithanda la performance yakhe.
I think this will be relaxing.
I think siyafunda uperform. I think bese perform more phela through personal album so ngibone the same performance ingcono mina. yeah improving.
Mhlambe ke maybe kula performance ama-legend ade khona la khaya khona iTKZB khona uMduli ithini comment yakho
Ngithandile wonke mfethu ngithandile kakhulu ngathande wonke from iTKZB surprise act kumina bismayilindela
post
bayibulele performance yabo mfethu i-energy basilethela abashayela ama-hits ethu uMdu iRazo mfethu yazi uMdu mfethu realize ukuthi unama-hits ngempela uMdu wodwa njengale yathebe lokhu le yathebe unama-hits wodwa
so but I feel like umuntu ungathona ama-hits more than anyone okwakhe because uphinde ukuproducer nakwezinye ingoma zabantu so I feel like uMdu
nje into yakhe imine weight no ngiyavumelana nawe mfethu and-ke neyatuks bemnandi performe ingoma ituks ngala although ingoma iyithanda lona nayichoose perform.
And when it's coming to headliner ke show, what do you think about the performance ka Lupi Fiasco?
Master Lupi uza umuntu right impela.
Like maybe wamithile ama expectations akho.
Mina uye beyond. Wamithile and uye beyond vethu ngobani ngizokutshela wayo uqala wesikhathi uperforme he had the longest performance bengicabanga. Konke ama-act was more than 1 hour. 2 ubalansisile kamnandi ngoba lezi ze-commercial abantu abazi ngazo nalezi ze-underground khona ingoma engalindele uzoyiperforme i-underground wokuqala le single yakhe substance over style bengingetshe lo ngoma i-P2 ngiyacabanga wayiperform kuyo number 3 ingoma ayiperformile ngayilindele kodwa iperforme i-mural fethu that was a very hardcore song and I was like I know Lupe bra. You went above and beyond and I was grateful. You had fun.
So I performance yakhe because I think bengalinde ukuthi uzoperforma lezi ngoma zama-hit song nami because ngiyamazi ukuthi he can go deep.
Baningi futhi vele yazi baningi ngathi bona bebe kanjalo webafu bebengayitshela ukuthi uzoya commercial yabo party nje ibalance ngiyithandile and I feel like any into engiyibonile I feel like abanye abantu kade bangamazi amathuki kakhulu abe introduced again.
Because maybe ama-streams after ishow
azonyo even abanye abamaziyo bo-hip hop akade bengamlandeli ngibone kade nje ngihambe besho ukuthi I know wow ngakhona ingoma engami kanje so I feel like mina basically nayo benefitile because ukhulile ngathi i-audience yakhe expandile.
Nami performance yaLupi ngiyona
I was worth the wait from indlela imvula esinethe ngayo ukuthi beningekho
but ayizange sanise festival ya 2025 ngi-enjoyile ngiya-understand ama-challenges abakhala ngawo because ngeke ngabona enye i-post edibhalwe omunye wama-leaders e-Back to the City Festival ukuthi no this year ibi-complicated ukuyiplana and it was almost impossible ukuthi beyenze because bekunzima. I think into ede bayafakile i-pressure kakhulu ile show kaTravis Scott because bibelenze on the same date and i-show kaTravis Scott bi-sponsor show Castle Light no big concerts laphana. I think bine-market enkulu kakhulu binama-sponsors amakhulu so I think bebafakela i-pressure ne-stress but I think baphule wonke ama-strings bayenze i-Back to the City Festival and nabantu bafikile even though ingabanga like bigger like last stage sasesikhulu la ke ama-activities amaningi ngenzakala i-planning ya last yayi-epic ngenye indlela and ne-turn out abantu bebebaningi nama-tickets ayesold out so this year ayizange ibe-sold out ama-tickets on time so I think ithe ukuba less but i-experience yami bintswempu nje and shout out to uSifiso for ukuhosta because ngifikele ePitori uSifiso on Saturday then sa Back to the City I mean ngifike Saturday morning then sa Back to the City on the same day later on that day so shout out to i-host yethu shout out to nje amajita uTiyo uZwade architect ikhona i-review esike sayenza nasishuthela ePitori laphana ikhona ku-channel sengipostile napha nje just uvala i-vlog yami because i-vlog yami ayiphelelanga because imvula ya-disturb ama-plans amaningi but I was happy like nge-experience e-Back to the City especially ngamajita lawo dayisa imatch laphana esamano kuyaba na-clothing brand laphana mawufike laphana eJozi no-but amajita aseJozi enza kakhulu especially amajita aseSoweto bayiphusha ngempela into i-branding ne-clothing so there were different brands engwabonile laphana and shout out to Latinova Pounds because one of the artists odayisa imatch uyena uLatinova and uyayiphusha ngempela and into zakhe ngiyibonile like ziyi-qualities inswempu na like even ama-price like a-reasonable because i-branding edayiswa laphana kwi-Back to the City ama-price akhona they are very hectic like khona iy'kepha zoku-600 no-800 but i-quality zinzima izinto zamajita laphana so nje I think leyo party le market laphana e-Back to the City enye into engi-enjoy uma ngikhona because like angimotivate amajita maybe number one day ngiyobuyela ku-clothing brand laphana ngiphusha into yami but ngimuve ngequality yala majita because bathengisa izinto eziyi-quality ngempela. So nje shout out to the entire team for i-planning. I think nje mina ngi-enjoyile, so ngizoyivala la so-speaker nawe and amathikithi next year siyadayisa. So next year we are celebrating 20 years Back to the City and so-speaker nawe again soba khona. Oh, before ngivale i-competition le ka-10K azange siyibone because kunama-rumors ukuthi yenzeka because esa stage se-Back to the City sasinabantu nje abaperformayo la kwakune-band the time sifika 10 because safika after 4, so I'm not sure bayenzeka or maybe sayimisa sengapha but angibonanga at all. And I think ibikhona-ke i-clash kade ikhona lapho because last year i-competition la kayenzeke late nyana, so sasikwazi ukuthi uphinde usuke ku-main stage kulezi stage esingapha ubone. So this year bikhona lezo siphithiphithi nyana singahlelekanga, so i-competition angiyibonanga, ngibone sek-announce i-winner kuphela but angizange ngiyibone because bekuyona into ethi ngifuna uyi-capture kakhulu because isuke inama-rappers amaningi upcoming underground, so lesa stage lesana sibalulekile but this year no, I think bayiflophile that side, angizange ngibone kwenzakaleni but-ke ishow ibentswempi, ishow bayiphulaphile, amajita afikile baperformile abantu amalokali. Angifuni ukureact ngamaningi abalokali because already senzile i-video lapha ne-review, so checka leyo review Back to the City Festival speaker na just bengifuna ukuvala i-vlog yami lo. Sekhona on Twitter @speaker nawe, sikhona ku Facebook speaker nawe, Instagram speaker nawe, sikhona ku Twitch speaker nawe. Awe we out.